do you think, Ronnie? I think this one might be a keeper. All right, here's the deal. One of you is going to leave here with a hell of a story. The other two, not so much. The piss and the punch bowl is that each of you individually have to convince me of why you should live and your friends shouldn't. So you have until the time that I get back to make up your minds.
Why are you doing this? What have we done? I'm not fucking dying like this. I'm not fucking dying for you. This is all your fault. This is your fault.
My fault?
You brought us here. You brought us here.
You
if anyone
asked me
should
to
die,
join.
it should be you.
You were the one who asked me to join, fucking bitch.
Shut up, you computer geek, like we need more of you in this world.
I'm an IT technician, you fucking waitress.
I'm a mom. I can't.
You're a mom, so are like fucking 6 billion other people on the planet. Don't need any more of you.
Sabbath.
Well, I have a good career. I have a good job.
Not good enough. All right, it's the best you can do.
I'm a good person. I don't deserve this. I don't deserve this. I'm going to college. I have a family. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor.
All right. It's up to you.
Please don't kill me. I'm a mother to a beautiful 2-year-old daughter. What is she gonna do without me? Don't do it. Don't kill me. I'm all she has in this world.
Okay. Well, looks like it's just the two of you.
You said you'd let one of us live.